You've just spent a good hour battling traffic, your patience wearing thin with every inch crawled. Finally, you pull into the mall parking lot, only to be greeted by a maze of cars, each one seemingly occupying 2 spots. You spot a perfect spot, but it's surrounded by oblivious drivers. A bead of sweat trickles down your temple as you contemplate the inevitable parallel parking ordeal. Ever wished your car could just, park itself? Well, if you own a Tesla Model Y, that dream is closer than you think. Let's talk about autopark. Now, I know what you're thinking. Autopark? Is that even real? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Trust me, it's as real as the coffee you had this morning. Tesla's autopark feature is a testament to how far technology has come. It's like having a personal valet, but without the tip. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how to use it, let's address the elephant in the room: safety. Autopark is an incredible tool, but it's not magic. The car is still relying on sensors and cameras, which means it's not infallible. It's crucial to remember that you, the human, are ultimately in charge. Always be ready to intervene if something doesn't look right. Alright, let's get to it. To activate autopark, you'll need to be in a suitable parking space. The car system will scan for potential spots as you drive slowly. Once it finds one, you'll see it highlighted on the touchscreen. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll need to position your car correctly. For parallel parking, you'll want to be roughly parallel to the car in front of the empty spot. For perpendicular parking, you'll need to be close to the spot, facing the right direction. Once you're in position, it's time to let the magic happen. Engage autopark on the touchscreen and watch as the car takes over. It will handle the steering, acceleration, and braking, perfectly maneuvering into the spot. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. Autopark works best in clear conditions. Obstacles like curbs, poles, or other cars can confuse the system. And while it's impressive, it's not always perfect. You might find yourself making small adjustments after the car has finished parking. But let's be honest, even with its occasional quirks, autopark is a game changer. It takes the stress out of parking, saving you time and energy. It's like having a personal assistant for your car. So, the next time you're dreading that parallel parking job, remember your Tesla Model Y has your back. Just make sure to keep your eyes on the road and be ready to take control if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.